made, but that international efforts have yet to gain the upper hand. While lower infection rates in Liberia come as there are new cases in Mali, Julia Seeger has the story.
She's come home after weeks in treatment. Awena Tukemara is an Ebola survivor. Weren't that lucky.
When I was in the hospital, we couldn't go anywhere. We stayed inside, lying down in our bed. But at home, I feel fine. I can walk where I want. I cook, I feel fine. So I thank God for that.
The outbreak is by far the worst on record of the tropical fever. According to the World Health Organization, out of more than 15,000 cases, 1/3 of infected patients have died so far. But for the first time ever on Friday, several NGOs said international efforts to fight Ebola had helped to slow the rate of new infections in some areas.
If we continue to accelerate our response, we can contain and end the outbreak by the middle of next year. I appeal to the international community to stay engaged, and we hope the continued support, funding, and logistics and personnel support, particularly health workers, will continue to be provided.
The fears of further contamination in Mali, however, indicate much work is still to be done. U.S. Ambassador to the UN Samantha Power said on Friday it would be a huge mistake to think that just because there are signs of progress, the outbreak has been stopped in its tracks.